Good morning, party people. As you can see, there's a lot of light coming from outside. Probably one of the brightest days I've seen since I've been in Washington. But I am in the Portland, Oregon area. If you have contacted me prior to Monday and needed my help to get something done, and I have not confirmed an appointment with you, I'm simply overlooking your contact information. I'm trying to go through my text messages and emails this morning to make sure I don't miss anyone, but I'm going to say this is your last call. So, if you are in the Portland area and I'm supposed to get with you to help you with something, contact me today. Call or text. If I don't hear from you today, I'm probably going to be missing you and headed to Madras or whatever that place is called tomorrow. So, get in touch with me so I don't miss you. Look forward to seeing you and helping you with whatever needs you have. Now, I'm going to Madras, then I'm going to probably Bend, then I'm going to Eugene, Oregon. So I will be contacting the rest of the Oregon people within the next day or two, and will probably be into California, Northern California, in about a week at the most. So that's where I'm at. That's what my plans are. Hope you enjoy today's video clips. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here to get a few parts off this V70 and drop my 8mm down the hole of the unknown. So what I decided to do was tape the socket to the extension. Then I shouldn't lose it anymore. Expensive to fix, yeah. He gets some cheap.
Oh, it's built by Yamaha though, isn't it?
Yeah, that Yamaha V8.
Oh yeah, I've driven one of them, that's an XC90.
Little cars and coffee action going on here. There was a Skyline here earlier. A WRX 2B action. Lots of crate bars.
There's a Lamborghini.
A little bit of everything.
I'm probably gonna get my mom a gift here. Mom.
Yeah, what are you gonna get her?
I don't know.
Some Slam Lexuses over there.
Is it her birthday?
Yeah, it's her birthday. So I want to say happy birthday.
Every time, but it's called Wasted Space Meets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wasted space.
Oh yeah.
Here it is, the Lambo. No plate required. You got a Lambo, you just drive it where you want. Look at them brakes, boy. Man, this is a small car. This front end is tiny. This probably feel like you on a guy's dang roller coaster in this thing. Whew.
No, but I got
Little
this
Civic.
badge and I couldn't find my gear.
Low down here.
It wouldn't go into
And there's that go-kart.
I was rolling back.
Drifting and everything. Here we go, baby.
Man, he does good at this.
Nutville.
That gave me a heart attack.
Center of gravity's so low you can't flip that thing, especially in this wetness.
Yeah. probably getting poured on like.
What kind of Mustang vehicle is that? Like a SUV Mustang. I don't even understand that. Makes no sense. Here with Eric, about to lower this engine in here. Thing of beauty. Look at that. About ready to go in. We're going in, but looks like the AC compressor is not going to clear the frame if we're leaned up against this ground wire. So we're going to pull this ground wire, see if that shifts us over enough to clear that thing, because we may not have enough space to lower it with the AC compressor on. Thing of beauty, it's in there. Eric had a strap going back from the carrier, axle carrier, up to the engine hoist. And man, I think that helped keep the engine at perfect pitch almost to get this engine to lower in. It lowered in very easy and smooth. Got very clear access with all this turbo stuff removed to these mount bolts. Got that front mount on. We had to take that clamp loose on the other side because you need every centimeter of the space in here to lower this in with the transmission attached. And the AC compressor barely rubbed against this line here. Had to undo this line. And I don't see the post that this was connected to. There's supposed to be a screw, I thought, off.
Yeah, I thought I couldn't find a hole, so
right.
I'm just going to drill another one.
No, it's fine. It just holds them apart.
Yeah, I mean,
And,
this is solid.
Yeah, yeah.
The low
Oh yeah, when you screw this in here, it ain't going nowhere. That screw up there. So cool. It's in. Just getting accessories hooked up and deciding what's going to do for the turbo. This thing will be ready to race shortly.
And I was going to ask you about that. That bottom offer up that
Okay.
that were not asphalty. They're still not
06
perfect.
S60. Going to do the timing belt water pump on this thing, and it's got some fours on it. Woohoo! Let's get cracking. Drain this coolant. Yeah, this belt is cracking, man. Yeah, this thing is probably never. I put a mark on that timing. It is going right up to the cover, so we're good to go. Start taking this stuff apart. There it is, folks. The water pump is off, and every inch of that gasket is still on there. This got to be my birthday. This is like my 4th birthday, this trip. This is incredible.
Anyway, I got one of these blades. I'm awful at shopping for Christmas presents. And when you got 5 kids, you're trying to find something decent and distinct for each kid. And I'm awful. But I found this one knife, and my one daughter that's got the, she had the Volvo and now's got the Prius, but she's real inquisitive. And if there's a problem, she's looking it up and figuring it out. Was it this one? No, the V70. The headlight wasn't working. And he didn't know. He was told that it's going to cost too much money to fix it.
Well, recalls are fixed for free.
Yeah, well, this is before the recall came about, and I don't know if the recall is going to affect this little warning light that we're getting. You know, airbag. I don't know.
I should have brought my Volvo scanner with me. I didn't know you had a
Yeah,
light.
I didn't think about that one until I just.
Here we are, folks. Just a few minutes later, all cleaned up, ready to put that water pump on. We're winning. That glare. Oosh. Everything's ready and the serpentine belt's on, ready to rock and roll. Tried to start it, didn't have enough juice. All right, now it stopped flashing. Started flashing again. Yeah, try again. Yeah, it stopped for a second and then it started flashing again. There it goes.
Try it?
Yeah. I seen a little arc come up here. All right, go ahead again. There we go.
That round?
Yeah. No, it wasn't on the positive post good enough.
Oh.
We're running now, baby. Woohoo! Nice and steady. Now this tensioner had a directional arrow on it telling us to tension it clockwise, so I did that. So we should be good to go. Chugging right along, temperature's about where it's supposed to be. Engine's warming up and the tensioner is straight up in the middle. As your engine warms up, that tension moves on that tensioner. There's a decent set of headlights here. If somebody needs them, they're not busted. This passenger side is a little foggy. The driver's side is pretty clear. And that's the part number there. I gotta take the flash off to see the part number. Left hand, and I'll text you what they go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.